Yo, what's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Let's get into the trade recap. Y'all know yesterday I had a big trade yesterday. Back-to-back days. Two big trades, two big movers, you know what I'm saying? PXMD, big mover, as y'all can see, went from from the sixes all the way up to the tens, man. Well, the fives. The fives all the way up to 10, and I got most of that move. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, give a comment on what you did today. Also, go follow me on Instagram at DCPRT. Your boy made $883. I traded very small size, so low risk, big profit based off how many shares I traded. I traded no more than 400 shares. When I first started, I traded 350 shares. So yeah, nice day, man, with small size. So I was looking at this stock, man. Big gap up, right? I was trying to get in this stock around show y'all. I was trying to get in pre-market, but it kept jumping around. Like it had like thin price action, like it was like kind of trading thin, so it was kind of hard to get in because it was moving so fast, man. But I figured this thing was gonna squeeze up. I was telling people, like, I don't think they trying to tank this thing. I think they're gonna try to rip it. Something going on, like they keep holding it on this $6 level, and pre-market I kept trying to get in, but I kept missing it. So I said, okay, I'm gonna just wait for it to come back down, then I get back in. So it did come back down, and it looked like it was gonna squeeze up. So I don't want to miss this move, because this move could look like this move, right? So I went ahead and got in at 636. It did squeeze a little bit, then it went back down. I still had on to it, man, because I said, I don't think they done with this. So I ended up adding a little bit more down here in 604. Got my average down just a little bit. And then the thing started going sideways. So, oh yeah, this thing finna squeeze. I already knew it. Cause if you look at the chart, downtrend chart daily, right? But then it started getting sideways. A lot of times when stocks do this, they tend to have that big push day. See, look, sell off, big green candle, sell off, green candle, sell off. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a pattern. So at the open, man, it squeezed up, went down, right? I said, I think they still trying to get shorts in. They held this thing up. I said, oh yeah, this thing from the real. Once it came down and came back up and reclaimed the sixes, I said it was a route. This thing from the squeeze, and that's exactly what it did. It squeezed up. I held on to it. In this halt, I held it. In this halt, I held it. I said I was gonna sell it. When it opened up, boom, at 9. I got out at 874. Ended up squeezing up higher all the way up to 1025. I should have held it, but hindsight 2020. I'm very satisfied because I made what? I got in at 630 all the way up to 8. Over $2 a share with 350 shares, and instantly up like $700. I mean, you really can't beat that with that short side. So I ended up getting out. I didn't want to get no shorts because the shorts was expensive. I think it was like 15 cents. Like, that shit too expensive, man. I'm not spending that. So I said I'm gonna wait for it to keep like selling off. It's gonna bounce at some point, right? So when it came down, I was waiting for one more flush. It did it, and I ended up going long at 637. Ended up selling it 653 for a small gain. Boom, just adding on to my profit, and then I ended up getting in again right here. When it was holding up a higher low, I figured we're gonna make one more little push, and then it was probably gonna sell out. I figured we would do this, man. So that's why I got out before the flush. Got out just in time. I read it like I read it real nice. Back to back great days, man, with these big runners. That's how you grow an account real fast, man. You gotta get in these stocks, ride that wave, get out, take your profit, and then just add little gainers at the end, man. So that was my mistake yesterday. I fixed that mistake. I didn't go big on this right here or this right here. I just added a little bit more. That's what I should have did yesterday. But good win, $883. That's it for this trade recap. I will be having more videos on trading, more than just recaps and stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned, man. Your boy back. And y'all go follow me on Instagram at DCPRT, and let's get this bread. Gone.